How y'all doing today? We're gonna go do a little mowing today, so I got the trailer hooked up. All we gotta do now is put the mower on, and I gotta go about 5 miles down the road to mow somebody's place, so we'll go get it done. I got a little mowing done here yesterday at bush camp, made it look a little bit more presentable. So let's get to it. Alright, we'll get this thing loaded up on the trailer. And then we'll get to work on things. Of course, I left it till nearly the hottest part of the day to get going. But oh well. See how it works sometimes. Well, we'll throw a little gas in it. Make sure we got enough to do the job. It only takes me about 30-40 minutes to do this job where I'm going. It ain't a very big one. But this mower I got is a Snapper Pro. It's got a 52-inch cutting deck on it. It's been a pretty good mower. I've had it for about three and a half years now. Really hasn't given me any trouble. I do know that I've got to change out the hydrostatic drive oil on it, so maybe that'll make a good video one day. But I need to do it here pretty quick, and you know, do all the usual, give it a bit of a service, and just general maintenance. You know, I find if you try to stay on top of things, they'll usually last you pretty good. You know, whether it's a brand name or just an off-market brand, as long as you take care of it, it's usually pretty good. Oh, probably need to pull the blades off and give her a sharpen. I put new blades on it. I probably guess I've cut 5 or 6 times with it now. They're still cutting pretty good, but they probably need a little bit of a touch up. God dang, this thing gets heavy, after a while. She needs more gas than what I thought she did. She might. Yeah, she's starting to top up now. You know she's full when she overflows on you. Anyway. Oh, I think that'll be plenty enough. That's good. Good job. Check this air filter out right quick. Oh, she's not too bad. Got a little grass on it, but not bad. All right then. We'll get the tailgate up, get my gas put up, and we will head on down the road. I'll see you. Okay, we made it over here. This is the lawn I gotta do. It goes back down in behind that trailer. It's been probably a couple of weeks since I mowed here, so it's getting hot enough to slow this grass down. And we do have a few stickers in here, but it's not looking too bad this time. Last time it was growing like blazes and the stickers had come up, which I'd treated this lawn back in the spring. I dumped a bunch of granules out here, pre-emergent, to get rid of them stickers, but that don't look as bad this time. But they get pretty thick out the back here too. But we'll jump on the mower, get it knocked out, do a little bit of weed eating around that camper and that. I'm not going to get too, maybe around this car, and we'll get it done. See you in a little bit. One thing I remembered is when I was here last time, there was a wasp nest building underneath the neck of this fifth wheel, so I thought I'd bring some wasp spray over here, and there it is over there, give it a dousing. But the problem is I brought the wrong dang can. I grabbed the brake cleaner instead of the wasp, so I'm sure it'll do something to them, but we'll give it a whirl. Let me see if I can pan up here. All right, here we go. Let's see what happens. Well, they didn't like it. Oh, they didn't like it, but it didn't drop them dead. Okay. Well, hopefully that took care of them. All right, cheers. Well, there she is, all mowed up. I got a little bit of weed eating done by the camper. I didn't do a whole lot else. I got a call I got to get going, but yeah, she come up all right, eh? Not too bad. But I do have one thing to show you. Brake cleaner, although highly effective on dirt and grease and cleaning parts, it has a 0 kill rate on wasps. But anyway, we'll get them next time. All right, cheerio, bye.